In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with a text area. After entering values into the name and message objects, a message is displayed on the screen when the button is clicked. In the video I will show step by step how to do the application. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I will create an input object. I am creating a variable. I send the label value to the input function. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I added the input object to the web page. We can send a placeholder parameter to the input function. I am saving the code file. I added the placeholder to the input object on the web page. Now I will create a text area object. I am creating a variable. I send the label value to the text area function. I am saving the code file. I added the text area object to the web page. We can also use the placeholder feature in the text area function. I am saving the code file. I added the placeholder feature to the text area function. If the input entered into the text area object does not fit on the screen, it can expand. Now I will create a button object. My goal is to show the message on the web page when the button is clicked. I am saving the code file. I added the button to the website. I want a function to be called when the button is clicked. I can do this using the onClick feature. I define the function. I will create a chat message object in the function. The first parameter sent represents the message. I can access the input in the text area object by using the value function. The second sent parameter represents the name of the sender of the message. The third sent parameter represents an image. I can show you the image I added using a web browser. I will use this image. I am saving the code file. After the texts are entered into the input objects, I click on the button. The message image is displayed on the web page. You can show more than one message on the screen. Finally, I will add one more feature. My goal is to delete the text in the input and text area objects when the button is clicked. To do this, I synchronize the value with the empty string. I am saving the code file. After entering values into the name and message objects, a message is displayed on the screen when the button is clicked. When the button is clicked, the messages in the input objects are deleted. In this video, we learned how to use the text area object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.